Hey there, I've got a couple of quick tech tips to share with those of you who are hard of seeing. If you head over to my blog, you'll be able to download this little handy guide that is a printout version that'll give you the shortcuts that I am about to show you. All right, I'm going to head over to my Windows virtual machine so that I can show you Windows users how to use this function. Press the Windows key and the plus icon at the same time, and it's going to start up something called the Windows Magnifier. Boom. Press the Windows key and the plus key again, and it will increase the zoom. To decrease the zoom, press the Windows key and the minus key at the same time, and it'll decrease it. To turn off the magnifier, press the Windows key and the escape key at the same time, and it will exit the magnifier. There are a few settings, so I'm going to head into the Settings app, and we're going to search for Magnifier. The Magnifier app is something that was built into Windows since Windows 7. And there are some basic settings that you can change over. Whenever you first start it up, it's going to be in full screen mode. I much prefer the view setting to be in lens mode. Full screen mode, as you can see, I'll turn it on and then I'll increase it. It increases the entire screen. I don't much like that. I much prefer having the lens mode. Okay, switch it over to lens. There we go. Yee. Okay, let's press Windows and escape key to get out of there. Okay. Couple of other settings that we're going to show. This one is universal across pretty much every program. It's one of the universal hotkeys. This is how you can increase the zoom of any app that you're in. So right now I'm in this web browser, and I'm going to press the control key and the plus key at the same time. And the plus key is up by the backspace, by the way. As you can see, it's increasing the zoom, and then to decrease it, I just press the control key and the minus key at the same time. There we go. Okay. Let's do one more. And this is going to be a way to tile windows. And this works in most Linux distributions. It works in Windows. For some reason, Mac OS still hasn't implemented it. But press the Windows key and the arrow keys, and it will organize your windows for you. So I'm going to press the Windows key, and I'm going to press the left key. And you can see it snaps this window over to the left. If I press it over to the right, it will snap it over to the right. Okay, say I wanted to maximize it, I'll press the Windows key and I will press the up key, and it maximizes it. If I want to resize it back to the size that I originally had it, Windows key and down key. And if I press the Windows key and the down key again, it will fully minimize that screen. Windows key and up key maximizes it. Okay, say you're not a fan of using keyboard shortcuts, you can also take advantage of just dragging these things over to the edges of your screen, and you can see how it'll automatically snap into place. There's also one more feature. This was added into Windows 11. They have a preset tiling dock. So if you drag your window up to the top, you have these 4 presets where you can just drag and drop your window into one of these tiles. Okay, I'm going to drop it right here, and as you can see, it's going to pop all of the other windows for me and say, hey, which window do you want to put here? I'm going to click on that one. And then over here, I'm going to click on this one. Okay. Hey, I hope that those shortcuts help you. They help a lot of my customers out. Yeah, hopefully you find them useful. If you have any questions, just leave them down below in whatever social media platform that you're watching this on, or head over to txtechnician.com and visit my blog and drop a comment. Thank you, and have a good day.